Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by positioning the tow vehicle straight behind the trailer. This minimizes side loads on the coupler. Line up the hitch ball under the coupler slowly and lower the trailer onto the ball until it seats fully. Once done, latch the coupler and secure the safety pin or lock. This prevents uncoupling. Make sure the trailer jack is retracted and the parking brake is on, so you can inspect connections without movement. Next, attach the electrical plug and test all lights. Turn signals, brake lights, and running lights should work, because visibility keeps you legal and safe. Then cross the safety chains beneath the coupler to create a cradle if the trailer separates. Make sure there is about 3 to 6 inches of slack for full turning without dragging. Finally, clip the breakaway cable to a fixed tow point on the vehicle frame so the trailer brakes engage if disconnected. To finish, do a complete walk-around check. Ensure hitch bolts are tight, lug nuts secure, and the trailer load is balanced with slightly more weight toward the front. Release the parking brake and drive a short distance at low speed. Test braking and practice a few gentle turns and a reverse so you feel the trailer behavior. If you notice sway or odd noise, stop, rebalance cargo, red-eye in the coupler and chains, and retest. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.